Hello and welcome. My name is Jeremiah, the Bullfrog Hale, and this is Tips and Tricks Tuesdays with ProPricer. We'll cover useful tips and tricks in ProPricer that'll help you leverage your time better and get things priced. Okay, today we're going to talk about the new tab and the Quick Access Toolbar. You see them all the time and can easily spot them in the top left corner of ProPricer's interface, but you might be unacquainted with these nifty little features. First, let's take a look at why the new tab is helpful and why it's important. Clicking on the new tab reveals a drop-down menu of starting points. With just 2 clicks, I can start a new proposal, algorithm, burden rate table, direct rate table, or just about anything else you need. Why is this important? Because it saves you a ton of time. Let's say you need to create a new direct rate table for an FPRA or for a pricing rate agreement update. If the new tab wasn't available, then you'd have to go to Rates and Tables, then right-click on the Direct Rates folder, then select New Direct Rate Table, and you get the point. It's substantially faster to just create a direct rate table with the new tab. Just click and click. Now let's take a look at the Quick Access Bar. What is it? What can it do for you? Why the fuss? This little feature is the, air quotes here, get me to where I'm going and step on it feature of ProPricer. So no matter how many proposals or tables are open, the Quick Access Toolbar can get you to your proposal's properties with just 1 click. Or it can pop you right into the material screen, if that's your thing. The Quick Access Toolbar is located at the top leftmost corner of ProPricer. The default item layout is Proposal Properties, Cut, Copy and Paste, Find Materials, Exit ProPricer, and the little drop-down arrow is Customize the Quick Access Toolbar. The customization button gives you a checkbox menu to show and hide items, and to move the toolbar closer to the action by showing it below the ribbon. Nice little toolbar by itself, but here's a tip. You can add items to the Quick Access Toolbar just by right-clicking on any button in the ProPricer ribbon. I'm going to use the New Proposal button from the New tab and take this Tips and Tricks episode back full circle to where we started. It's the New tab. You start things. Anyway. Click the New tab, then right-click the New Proposals button, and then select Add to Quick Access Toolbar. Yep, that's the trick. Now you can create a new proposal with only 1 click. To summarize all this, in ProPricer there's a few ways to do something, like create a direct rate table or start a new proposal. And as you saw, some ways are faster than others. And who couldn't use a little extra time? If this was awesome, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. If you have questions about ProPricer we can help with, or have some tips and tricks of your own, go ahead and follow the link or post a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And again, my name is Jeremiah Hale, and as always, thanks for watching.